The very first vial, number 0001, and the very first patient. Finally, the wait for the Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine is over.
In fairness, that's great. Well, the vaccine means everything to me. I mean, to my mind, it's the only way of getting back to a bit of normal life.
A big moment too for healthcare workers like Sam Foster, who gave him the jab.
Many people have been shielding since March. It's their real first hope that they're going to get back to some degree of normality, so it's really a privilege. Doing this at scale, which is really more than ever what the NHS wants to do now, is really important.
But can the NHS scale fast enough for the vaccine to take on the new strain of COVID-19?
Well, I'd like to see 2 million vaccines a week. We've been preparing in the NHS for many months for this vaccination programme, and if the manufacturers get 2 million doses a week to us, then our aim is to get those 2 million doses immediately into people's arms.
But whatever you do, don't interpret that as a target to vaccinate 2 million a week. Clearly a point of frustration for the Health Secretary.
You've got this target of 2 million doses a week. What's the issue? Why we
No, I don't. Right? So you've just got the whole story on the wrong way around.
So is your target
just ask whatever you want. I'll say what I'm going to say. The NHS will inject this vaccine as quickly as it can be supplied by the manufacturers, who are doing a brilliant job, and that way we can all get through this together.
There are around 25 million people on the government's priority list for vaccination. So far, around 1 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine have been administered. This week, there'll be 500,000 doses of the Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine available, with tens of millions coming in the next few weeks. If the NHS were to vaccinate 2 million people a week, it could mean that entire vulnerable group would have some form of protection by the end of March. Because this group make up 99% of preventable COVID deaths, that could change everything. But not one link in the vaccine logistics chain can fail.
Supply is always a challenge, and my experience is you never have more vaccine than you asked for. You rarely get what you did ask for, and most often you get less than you asked for. And holding that in mind, we need to get as much as we can, as fast as we can, and then we save lives.
Each individual getting a vaccine can expect to be protected from the worst of COVID-19. But who knows how long it will be before all of us see the benefits, given the scale of the task ahead.
That will go over to